My desires are always, always, absolutely always based in fear. You want something to not be something else. I want to be rich, not to disappoint my parents. I want to succeed, not to go for a failure and be ashamed of failing. I want to be in a relationship because I don't want to be alone, and so on and so forth. The motivation of those desires is always fear based. Heart desires, it's curiosity. You are taking yourself towards places and people that make you feel truly fulfilled and aligned and real. And so these are, very different quality desires, and very different. You suddenly don't focus on the outcome, you really focus on the journey, and the fulfillment that can come out of that is uncomparable. There is no chase anymore. You enjoy every day. You wake up and you check within yourself, like, okay, what do I want to do? And the power that comes with that, your inner power, is enormous, because there is no more vibration of fear, of expectation, of condition. And suddenly you have all these people coming to you and they're like, what is it that you do? Because I want to feel the same.